Okay guys, I lost the footage where I showed you what I'm using, but what I'm making is a sign, and I saw this in the magazine Lakeside Collection. So it is going to be similar to that sign, and what I'm using is some of the flat canvases. I have 2 of the 8x10s and 1 8x8. I'm also using 3 rulers. These come 2 to a pack. I'll be using 3 of those. And this is just some craft paper. It's brown with white polka dots, and I've just Mod Podged it to the front of one of the canvases, flipped it over, and just Mod Podging it down to hold it in place. Now for the second canvas, and this is the 8x8, I'm just using a ruler and I'm going to draw some lines, and then I'll go in with a little stain and just try to make it kind of look like wood. And that last canvas, I used that wood grain contact paper to cover, and this is kind of the look I'm going for. And of course the rulers will go across the top of each one to look like Christmas presents. I did fill in the holes on 2 of the rulers. The other one I cut down. Actually, one of these rulers I cut down on the wrong side and didn't cut the hole off. So I did fill those in. And I'm going to paint the other 2 rulers with just a acrylic snow white. So here's what it will look like. Gives you an idea of what I'm going for. I'm not sure what's happened tonight, guys, but I'm losing footage. But I did get that sticker. It says "Be Joyful Always," and put it on each of the presents. And then I used some of the Dollar Tree snowflake stickers and some of the little wooden stickers and the stars and the candy cane. And now I'm just going to flip it over and make a little hanger for it. You could stand this up leaning against a wall, or you could hang it. So I'm going to put this on here, and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, so here it is. I think it turned out really cute. You could of course do this in any colors you want, put any kind of decorations on it that you want. You could also use some thin MDF wood to create this as well. I didn't have the right size wood on hand, so I grabbed some of the canvases from Dollar Tree. But I hope you enjoyed the DIY. I'll be starting on my Christmas DIYs, and be sure to be on the lookout for the Magical Christmas collab starting November 1st. Thank you guys for watching tonight. Thanks to my subscribers as always for your continued support, and if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join. And I will see you in the next video.